Welcome to this video tutorial about using tools in Ebsco Ebooks. In this tutorial we will look at how to use the tools to save, email, and print pages within the ebooks in the Ebsco ebook collections. To begin, first open up the ebook you wish to view. This can be done by clicking on the ebook full text link. Once inside the ebook, you will see the ebook landing page. In the center of the page will be the ebook viewer. This is where you can read the pages of the ebook and navigate through the pages. On the left side of the ebook viewer is the ebook information column. To learn more about this, please view the Navigating Ebsco Ebooks video tutorial. On the right side of the viewing area is the Tools column. Here you will find a variety of tools that can be used when viewing your ebook. As you can see, the Tools column has a variety of tools that you may use to enhance your experience with the Ebsco ebooks. These tools are as follows. The first tool in the Tools column is the Search Within tool that allows you to search for a specific word within the ebook. Notice that the icon is a piece of paper with a magnifying glass. When you click on this icon, a text box will appear above the ebook viewer where you can type in your word and click Search. Once you do this, a listing of pages and a brief section of the sentence where the term appears will display below the text box. Click on the brief sentence and page number to jump to the page in the ebook. Click on the X in the upper right corner of this box to close the search feature. The second tool in the Tools column is the Create Note tool, which allows you to make notes within the ebook. Notice that this icon is a piece of paper with a yellow card and green push pin in the center of the paper. Any notes that you create on a page of the ebook are then saved to your Ebsco virtual folder. If you are unfamiliar with the Ebsco virtual folder, view the video tutorial to learn more about the virtual folder and about creating your own personal virtual folder. To create a note, click on the Create Note icon. A box will appear above the ebook viewer. Next, click on the New Note button. A large blank text box will appear where you can type your note. Click Save to save your note in your virtual Ebsco folder. Please note, you must be logged into your personal virtual Ebsco folder to save any notes that you create. To close the note box, click on the X in the upper right corner. The third tool in the Tools column is the Dictionary tool, which allows you to look up the meaning of words used within the ebook. Notice that this icon is a blue box with letters in it. When you click on the dictionary icon, a text box will appear at the top of the ebook viewer. Type your word into the text box and click Search. A box will appear below this text box with the definition of your word. Also, to the left of the definition will be a listing of words that appear before and after your word. To close the dictionary, click on the X in the upper right corner of the dictionary feature. The fourth tool in the Tools column is the Save Pages tool, which allows you to save pages from the ebook as a PDF. Notice that this icon looks like a floppy disk. Due to copyright restrictions and licensing agreements, each user is allowed to save or email up to 60 pages. Having said this, each ebook is different and may have different restrictions, which means that in some instances the number of pages that may be saved or emailed may be less. To save pages of the ebook, click on the Save Pages icon. A box will appear above the ebook viewer. Within this box you will find a yellow box that tells you the page limit that can be saved or emailed. Also, you will find the options to save the current page and the next specific number of pages that you want, up to 59 pages in most ebooks, or the section that you are in. Notice that the number of pages for this section will be displayed for your convenience. As already mentioned, pages will be saved as a PDF. Click Save PDF to save the pages to your computer. Click on the X in the upper right corner to close the Save feature. The fifth tool in the Tools column is the Email Pages tool, which allows you to email PDF pages of the ebook to yourself or someone else. Notice that this icon looks like an envelope with a blue arrow on it. As with the Save Pages option, you are only allowed to email a certain number of pages. When you click on the email icon, a box will open above the ebook viewer. Within this box, you will see the yellow box which will display the total number of pages that can be emailed for the ebook you are in. Also, you will find the options to email yourself the current page, a certain number of pages, including the current page and the next specific number of pages that you determine, or the section you are in. You will also find the information needed to email the pages, including the email to and from email address boxes, a subject line for the email, and a comments box to type in your own personal message. You will also find the ability to send the citation to yourself in a specific format such as APA. Click on the Email PDF to email the PDF pages to yourself. Please note the PDF will be an attachment to your email. Click on the X in the upper right corner to close the email feature. The sixth tool in the Tools column is the Add to Folder icon, which allows you to save the entire ebook into your personal virtual Ebsco folder. Notice that this icon looks like a file folder. To save the ebook to your virtual folder, simply click on the folder link. The folder will open up, which will alert you that you have saved it to your folder. Please note, in order for the ebook to be saved to your personal virtual folder, you must be logged into your personal virtual folder. If you are not logged into your virtual folder, the ebook will not be saved to it. If you do not have a virtual folder, please see the video tutorial about creating and using a virtual folder. Why save the ebook to your virtual folder? This tool allows you to access the ebook quickly and easily wherever you have access to the internet instead of searching for the ebook in the Ebsco ebook collections. The seventh tool in the Tools column is the Cite tool, which provides you with options for setting up a citation for the ebook based on the most common citation styles, including APA and MLA. Notice that the icon looks like a plain piece of paper. To see the different styles for citing this ebook, simply click on the Cite icon. A box will appear above the ebook viewer listing the various citation styles along with the ebook citation for each citation style. Be careful if you choose to use this tool. You should always double check the citation provided to you with your citation style handbook. It is not uncommon for there to be errors for the citations that are provided from this tool. Click on the X in the upper right corner to close this feature. There are three other tools in the Tools column, which are the Export tool that allows you to export the citation information into bibliographic tools like RefWorks or EndNote. The Permalink tool that provides a permanent URL to the section of the ebook that you are reading, and the Share tool that allows you to share the ebook title to your favorite social media. Please note, ebooks shared on social media can only be viewed by those in the CSS community. One very common question from students is how to print from the Ebsco ebook viewer. The easiest way to print pages is to first save or email the pages to yourself. Then open up the PDF and use the Adobe Reader print tool to print the pages you want. Also, within some ebooks, you will find a small toolbar appear in the lower right corner of the ebook when you hover your mouse over this corner. You can click on the printer icon to print the current page. Please note, this toolbar may not appear in all browsers or all ebooks. This concludes the Using the Tools in Ebsco eBooks video tutorial. Please contact the library if you have any questions. Thank you.